National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somervell County in north-central Texas, southwestern Johnson County in north-central Texas, northern Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, southeastern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cleburne, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleburne, Granbury, Pecan Plantation, Glen Rose, Bloom, Cleburne State Park, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Rio Vista, and Walnut Springs. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.